Hello everyone, welcome to JIB CIB English Medium channel. My name is Aarti and I hope you all are doing good. So basically, if you're targeting to clear your JIB in this May cycle, then remember you need to clear your concepts. Along with that, you need to continuously revise. Now, how you can do it? Concepts you can clear with other 24/7 paid batches. After that, for the revision, you can watch this series. So, like in this session, we will be starting with new unit that is known as Core Banking Solutions. In this unit, we will talk about how industries now adopted this particular technologies. Yes, earlier, like in your bank, you all used to work manually. You used to prepare accounts, every data, every entry, everything you need to use, manually. But slowly, technologies are upgrading, and then we are adopting computers. Yes, then technology like internet banking. After that, some apps you have dedicated one. Now we are, involving AIs. Yes, like our chat boot. So we are, increasing our way of working. Now, earlier, which suppose you are entering into any transaction, like you are uh, submitting one check and you want to clear it. Earlier, it used to take, let's say, 5 to 6 days, but now in a day, yes, if you want to transfer, it used to take, so much of time, but now you can do in just a fraction of seconds. How we have done this, how we have achieved this with the help of technologies, correct? So this is what we will learn. Basically, this is going to be a computer class. So let's start this session. And remember, first topic, we need to understand what is the meaning of computerized accounting. Basically, whatever you are dealing in bank, like numbers, yes, their entries, that is your accounting part. Yes, accounting means what? Any transaction which gives you monetary benefits or monetary value, you are recording in the books. That is what accounting. You are preparing proper records, their journal, ledger. Yes, you are making their final books so that you can calculate profit, loss. That is the whole thing, accounting. But earlier you used to do manually, as we discussed just now. Now we are using computers for it. Yes, like we have Oracle, Tally. Yes, so we are using this softwares to do our entries. Correct. Now, just by writing the transaction, you can generate so many reports. Suppose if you want to create P&L account, you can do it within a fraction of a second. You just need to put the data and the software will give you final output. If you want balance sheet, you can get in fraction of a second. If you want cash flow statement, if you want any stock report, if you want any credit report, loan report, just a fraction of a second. Yes, so this is just because of computerized accounting. So let's read the definition that an accounting system is one that performs following functions. Yes, you need to remember that if you're saying you have accounting system, then what are their functions? Let's start with the very first one. That is, it captures business transactions in the form of accounting entries. Yes, like earlier when you used to see the transactions in monetary value, you used to record journal. Yes, in your computer also, you will be recording as soon as you are identifying any transactions in monetary value. You will be forming, you will be entering their entries. Now, after that, accounting entries are used to prepare financial statements. See, definition of financial statement will never change. Earlier also, we used to say financial statements includes, oh, just a second. In your company's accounts too, we discussed about this financial statements. Yes, under financial statements, you will prepare balance sheet. Okay, you will prepare profit and loss account. Then you will prepare cash flow statement. And after that, you will be preparing here a statement of changes in equity. Then you have explanatory notes. So these are the 5 things again you will be preparing with the help of, computers. Yes or no? With the help of softwares. Okay, so that is the point they are saying here, that first you will record, first you will capture all the business transactions which are having monetary value, and you will be making their journal entries. You will be recording in the books. Now, based on these entries, you will be getting your financial statement preparation, profit and loss, position of the business, everything. Then after that, financial statements are prepared based on accounting standards. Accounting standards means here you will be applying, some rules and guidelines. Like when you are working in bank, you have some set of rules and regulations. Huh? Same when you're preparing accounts, you have some set of rules and regulations. You need to comply with that. Yes. Then various financial reports are prepared from the data available in the financial statements. Not only your balance sheet or this different 5 financial statements, but along with that, you can prepare different financial reports. As I told you, you can prepare stock report. Okay. Then loan report, yes, FD report, etc. and etc. Yes, so you can prepare these many types of reports as well. Now remember, if your computer can perform all these types of entries, that means here the systems are developed is known as computerized accounting. Yes, if your computer can perform these 4 functions, then you will call it as computerized accounting. Yes, so this is the definition given for CA, that is computerized accounting. Yes, come to the next point. That is computer components. Computer components, basically, when we used to talk about computers, yes, we have some hardware, software, some their computer peripherals. Remember this computer peripherals, they asked once in your PYQ. So this is very important for you, like what are the computer peripherals? So first let's talk about hardware or the physical components of your computer, that is hardware. Yes, software that you are using like Windows or any other, like for Apple we have some different software. So that is your software part. Then computer peripherals, we have printer, video monitor, keyboard, disk drive, etc. So these are the computer components that you need to use. Okay. So just read this point. These are not very difficult points. Already you are familiar with this. Now, next you are going to talk about, that is computer language. Next what we are going to talk about, that is computer language. So first we have computer programs. So a computer accounting system runs based on set of instructions. That is going to be software programs. Like if you are making any entry, how to process it, yes, in which place you need to reflect it. So someone will make this all, features, or they will make this type of software. That is what software programming. Okay, that is what software programs. How your software needs to behave. That is what software programs. Suppose as soon as I am, paying here through Google Pay, automatically it will be reflected in my bank statement, or automatically I will get one SMS that amount is already debited. So this is the software they have prepared, and that is known as software programs. Next is about programmer, a person who prepares the software. Yes, when you need to debit, when you need to credit, yes, how you need to adjust this credit, everything. Person who develops the software program is known as programmer. Then next is computer software. Instructions of the programmer are in computer language in the form of computer programs. Yes. Then you have accounting software like COBOL, Fox Pro, etc. on an operating platform such as Windows, Unix, etc. So these are your operating windows, and these are your accounting software. Like one of the best example, that is your Tally in your accounting software. So these are your accounting language which you need to use. Now, next, this is now important, which says types of computer. Okay, so you have analog computer, then digital one, and the last one is hybrid computer. So how many types of computers you have? 3. Analog, digital, and hybrid. Analog, digital, and hybrid. Yes, this is your ADH. Yes, like we have MDH masales. So here you have ADH, analog, digital, and hybrid. So what is the meaning of analog computers? So they are mostly used in scientific and mechanical fields. They process data in continuous form. So analog computers are used in your mechanical and scientific fields. Yes, like if you have any chemical factory. Yes, if you have any not a construction, if you have any manufacturing factory, in that you need to use this type of softwares. Yes, like if you are developing one, let's say medicine, you are a pharma company. Now here you will be using some machines, you will be recording that thing. Yes, that if you are putting 1% of a unit of any particular, let's say acid or base or whatever it is, you need to put this much proportion of your B unit. So this will make one combination which will, help as a cure for any particular disease. So these are the combinations you will set with the help of analog computers. Yes, scientific computers. After that, you have digital computers. Digital computers means they accept data, convert them into useful results by carrying out arithmetic operations with the help of computer programs. So basically here what we are doing, here we are talking about your accounting computers, yes, in which you can do accounting. Remember, like if you see Krish movie, I hope you have seen that movie. In Krish movie, they have one lab, and under that lab they used to make some kind of let's say medicines, or let's say they are working on some projects. Yes, so that is what analog computer. But on the other hand, if you see any CA office or any CS office or any accountant office, they have some different computer. Yes, and in that different computer they are working through their accounting activities. They is like if you are in a finance department, you can understand this point in a much better way. This is known as digital computers. So when you have analog computer, on the other hand, you have digital computers. Next, you will see the combination of digital and analog computers. So digital and analog computers, they are actually the computers which will be combined to create hybrid computers. Yes, hybrid computers means here you have analog plus digital. Okay, analog means here you will see scientific work, and digital means you will see accounting work. Remember, accounting will never means accounting A and analog A will never come together. Yes, but DA, that will come together. Yes, this is your AD, digital and your accounting. This is your scientific A. Yes, scientific with A. A will never come together. So these are some tricks through which you can remember these points. And remember, when you combine digital and analog, this is going to be hybrid computers, means you can work scientific activities on that computer as well as you can do all your accounting activities as well. So here we complete types of computer. I hope this point is clear, but just remember their name and that definition. In exam, they will be asking, direct questions based on this. Yes. Now, coming to next, that is terms used in computerized accounting. Now, there are a few terms which you need to remember. Okay. So what are the different terms used in computerized accounting? Number one, that is data. Yes, you have, this is the number one computerized accounting term. Then record, then you have data file, and you have system. Data means, like suppose if you're passing one entry related to, let's say, FD. So that is going to be data. When you are passing one entry, that will create data. Yes. Now next is about recording. Yes, first you need to identify the monetary value transaction, if you identify, that will become data for you, and now you will record in your books. Yes, you are going to store each and everything in a proper base, that is going to be data file. And under which particular you know you can say software you will be using, like you are using Tally, Oracle, or any other thing, then that is going to be system for you. So these are the terms used in computerized accounting. Yes. Now coming to next one, that is your omni-channel banking, one of the very important term. Yes, even they asked in your PYQ, what is the meaning of omni-channel banking? Yes, omni-channel. Yes, omni-channel banking means this is going to be combination of physical branches as well as your online facility. Yes, like if you talk about SBI Bank, Axis Bank, they have their own physical branches, correct? Along with that, they have their own software. Okay, so that is going to be omni-channel banking. So this provides the same set of services to customers across all channels, whether digital or physical. Yes, digital means that is going to be like for SBI, or you can say internet banking, same for Axis. These are going to be digital or physical. Then omni-channel platform can help improve marketing performances, increasing customer retention, and simplify onboarding processes. So these are the, you can say, benefit they are providing. If you see any elder person, they refer to visit this banks and branches. But if you see, youngsters, or if you are very tech innovative person, then you will refer to use this, net banking. So this omni-channel banking, is beneficial for both the types of customer. Yes, if you are liking to visit directly to the branch, you can use this, or if you are comfortable with the net, softwares or any net, then you can use that particular internet banking channel services. So these are the positive points of omni-channel banking. Now one more point which you need to remember, that now users can use all the services through website, mobile app, bank branches, call center, even social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or any other available channel. So this is given under your IFBF paragraph. So this paragraph becomes very important. They can ask any MCQ based on this. Okay. So this is about omni-channel banking. Now, next is going to be neo banking. Now, neo banking is a very advanced type of banking. Now, they are not having any physical branches. Now, they have all, software. They have, you can say, everything they are doing online. Yes, like neo banking. Neo bank is a bank that operates without a physical branch network. They are not having any physical branch network. Banking business is conducted entirely, how they are doing the business, entirely through online. So this is best for tech savvy people and who prefer managing their money through mobile phones or tablets. Now what are the advantages? This is simple account and opening procedure and lower cost, because there is no requirement to set any physical branches. You require just your one head office or back office, and you can start your banking services. Yes, and nowadays we are preferring for neo banking. So this is all about your computers and their relevant services. Now, what next you need to do? Let's solve few questions based on this. So what is a computerized accounting system? A system that captures business transactions manually. B, a system where accounting functions are performed using computers. C, a system that only prepares financial reports. Or D, a system that ignores accounting standards. So computerized accounting system is known as your B, a system where accounting functions are performed using computers. So right answer is answer A. Next, what is a neobank? A bank that operates entirely through physical branches, bank that operates without a physical branches and conducts business online. Here, traditional bank with both physical and online operations, a type of investment bank focused on digital assets. Neo banking, they have entirely, through physical branches? No. A bank that operates without any physical branches and conducts online. Yes, right answer is answer B. Next, who is responsible for developing computer software for accounting system? Accountant, programmer, administrator, or auditor? Very easy, very direct, that is programmer. No. Next. Oh. Right answer here is answer B. What are the physical components of a computer system called? Software, hardware, data, or algorithm. If you're talking about physical components, that is known as hardware. Next, which of the following is an example of computer peripherals? Please tell me, keyboard, printer, disk drive, all of the above. Yes, so this is going to be answer D, which says all of the above. Okay. So here we complete your one very important, I can not say like that, because you will see this unit not in each and every attempt, but in alternative attempts, or you can say just you can see this unit just for 1 or 2 marks in your exam also. So for other units which are important for that, you can join our upcoming paid batches, and this is our QR code for Telegram group. So use this QR code and join our batches as soon as possible by using one coupon code which says Y895. With this, you will be getting maximum discount and maximum validity. So thank you everyone for joining.